You know, Rob, when I left Texas Instruments back when, we were just branching out into 3G across the world. And 3G was that technology that gave us a disconnect from our computers, gave us a disconnect from having to be at home in order to get something accomplished. But look where we are today with 3G. I can be anywhere in the world. I can have this video conference with you right from the bandwidth that's provided in my phone. And what we've learned, what we've seen, and what I did on a computer chip was had to manage this massive amount of oscillation, this frequency happening. And we had to take into consideration how to protect that phone itself from all these energies, the heat energy that's being done, and then the destructive forces of just the electromotive, this energy bouncing around inside the phone. Now, we could build shielding. If you open up a cell phone, you're going to see aluminum foil. You're going to see strands of copper wire and little bendable circuit boards, all designed to neutralize and to bring those energies down. And through 3G, it was pretty effective. Didn't have a big external problem. But guess what? We got to be faster. We got to go to the next level. We created 4G. And now look where we are. We are totally disconnected from our desks, from our lifestyle inside our home, to now we have screens that are in our hands that are faster than anything we've ever imagined. Rob, that is, in order to achieve that, we've had to build a tighter network of cell towers. We had to build a tighter network of energy so we can talk from the cell phone to the tower and from the tower back to the cell phone. So guess what happens? That energy, the impact on the body goes up because we got our cell phone here or in a pocket or in our bra strap. We're going to keep this thing close to us so we can be instantly responsive instead of having it across the room where it may not be as effective. So in order to do that, more frequency means more data transfer. If you need more data transfer, we have to expand the spectrum. The FCC has to give us more spectrum to be able to operate. And lo and behold, what happens is now we have to have higher energies and higher frequencies, which moves up the spectrum of what our body can deal with. And right now being deployed in the United States and around the world is 5G, the very next generation. So we might go from a cell tower that's a half a mile away and we have a great conversation. A mile away, we can establish a great conversation. But just imagine now that I have to have a cell tower every city block or every other city block where it's highly intense. And it's going to have a much higher frequency because it has a much higher data rate, bringing you web content or photos of your child or a phone conversation, gives you a much higher content. And so in order to do that, we ramp the frequencies up, we power the thing up, we connect to a cell tower that's even more energy. And now we've got our bodies bombarded with something they have never seen before. Your body's never known the amount of energy that's going to happen when you put a cell phone near your body. The confusion, the anxiety that our body's going to happen when that's around us is going to send us out of kilter. And guess what? That knife edge of homeostasis, we fall off. The body falls off while that phone is near us. Or a Wi-Fi box or your television monitor, your screen on your computer. We fall off that edge. We need something to move us back, to stop the body's negative reaction to what's happening. And that's what we developed in the lab with our next generation product called Cell Protect.
Yeah,
that product simply put on your phone or put on your body is going to give you the frequencies and the energies to neutralize it and come back to norm, energetically push your body back to a homeostasis where all of your chakras stay aligned, all of the energy centers of your body stay aligned. They don't go out of whack and they start driving the chemical system inside your body, the energy, the electrical system inside your body. Instead of driving it right or left, the energetic system of the body becomes neutralized and all the chakras stay aligned so we can have a great lifestyle. We can have back to normal without fear that this cell phone and these cell towers and Wi-Fi are just bombarding us and pushing us over the edge into something that might need a medical intervention to take care of us.